First camera would be a Canon FX 35mm, made about 1962, 63, I think. I got interested in it from my father, who was an amateur photographer. I learned darkroom techniques and some photography from him before I got my own cameras, and kind of went on my own way with it. I went to Clemson University, studied astronomy, and then I came here for graduate school in astronomy at UT. I was shooting all along while I was in grad school. The photography store nearby the campus was the original Precision Camera, and I would go there quite often to get film equipment. I knew the owner, and he knew that I had a technical background, and when I got out of graduate school, I went to work for him as a repair technician. You learn by doing and making mistakes. It helps to have people who have made those mistakes before you to warn you. I took a few courses along the way, but not many. Most of it was learned from the manual or learned by just doing.